What's up, guys? So, sorry. Today, damn, I love coffee. What's up, guys? So, I guess I'll talk about something new, something that happened this season, something that's been happening, but this season was a little bit bigger and better than before. So, I've been designing for the Phoenix Suns for a long time. This year, they acknowledged me at one of the games. I got to go to one of the games and watch the game, throw out the new t shirt I designed. But yeah, they launched a new t shirt. It's a new design I did. They had me come out to the game, and I didn't know what to expect. So I ended up getting a suite for a bunch of my friends. We all came out there and hung out, ate some hot dogs, drank some beer, and just kicked it watching the game. But then they called me up, had me come down, and put me on the jumbotron, and basically promoted my new T-shirt that dropped. So that's pretty big for me. They've never done that. When I was like, what was I, like 17 or something? I was actually in high school, and I used to go to the Phoenix Suns Diamondbacks Education Academy. That's where I graduated from, and that school was owned by Colangelo. Colangelo actually came up and asked me to paint a mural at the stadium, so that was pretty cool, and that was like the beginning of everything. But fast forward a few years, now we're here, and this year I got to design a full font for them, and they've been using it all season. They've been using this font basically on like marketing. I got to see it all over the place at the game. It was pretty damn cool. I'm pretty excited, pretty thankful for them bringing me in on this. Another thing that they did that's pretty dope is they sent me this little package. So they said that they were gonna send me a jersey. One other person opened up the jersey, and it was a Booker jersey. So now it's time to open mine, see what I got. Well, the packaging is pretty dope. If you follow my clothing brand, you know that I'm all about pretty badass packaging. I don't know if I showed the back. See the back? Does the bottom have anything? Nope. But yeah, look, it's got the word mark for this year, for this season. Looks like it pops open. It's got magnets holding it together. Super dope. Oof. Damn, it's got the word mark right here. You see it? This packaging is just badass. It's got my name on it. What? It's got my name on the little thing right here. It says, Chicano culture runs deep in the Valley of the Sun, a unity that is weaved throughout the fabric of the city, a rhythm heard across the streets of the Sonoran Desert, an identity that is neither from here nor from there, ni de aquí ni de allá, like La India Maria. A celebration of the past intertwined with the present, the valley. On the back, it has the word mark, and then it has everything that's on the jersey, explaining it. It's got the Pantone color chart down there, I guess. Pretty dope. And it's got my name on it. Whoa. That's pretty badass. Look at that. But check it out. It's got my name right there. I've been wanting to do some pinstriping for them for a while, and they never let me do pinstriping, but the jersey has it this year. It's pretty dope. Love the colors. 2023. Shout out to number 23. But this is sick. It's my size. I'm trying to lose weight, so it might not fit anymore, but this is sick. Definitely super proud of this. This is gonna go right back in the box though and get put in my shop. I'll fold it later. But this is, I don't know how to fold this thing. I'll see if Mary can fold it later. Huh? But yeah, I'm gonna have to find a spot for it back here. Because this, I can't use this, man. This is too dope. Look at the packaging. Look at that. The new shirt I designed is actually in the team shop right now. You can actually get it online. Come over here, babe. I want to show it. She's actually wearing it right now. I know she's not wearing makeup, so here, just throw it on. I just saw. See, that's the new shirt. I did a bunch of designs for them, and that's the one that got chosen. I knew that was gonna get chosen too. I shouldn't have thrown it in the pack and the bunch of designs that I did, but hey, I like it. That wasn't my first design, but it's still one of my designs, and I still think it looks dope. So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully there's some fans out there, and go pick it up in the shop, in the team shop. Hopefully I get to do a lot more work for the Suns in this next season or in the future. All right, thank you for tuning in, and time to take a sip and get to work. What's up, guys? So that was fun. I got to do some designs for the Suns. A new one dropped today, and I'm pretty proud. I'm pretty happy to be able to do this, and thank you to everybody involved. This has been a big year for me. I'm super happy, and of course the Suns won today, so pretty dope.